Friends, welcome to Abhivyakti India's Future Classroom. Here we will see few more questions from letter gap problems. Before watching this video, you go through the first video where I have given the tricks and tips to solve this type of questions. Here is the question that how many pairs of letters are there in the word languish which have as many letters between them in the word as in the alphabet. So the given word is languish. So first write down the ranking of each alphabet, that is positional number of each alphabet. So it will be like this: L is 12, A is 1, N is 14, G is 7, and so on. Now search for the numbers. For example, here it is 12 and 14. So between 12 and 14 there is one number. This shows that between alphabets also there is one letter. So here between L and N there is one alphabet, and in alphabets also there is one alphabet between L and N. So here you see between L and N in the alphabets there is M, and here in the word it is A. So this pair LN satisfy the given condition, therefore the first pair is LN. Now the second, you see that 7 and 8. 7 and 9, 7, 8 and 9. This shows that between 7 and 9 there is one letter in the alphabet, and in words also between G and I there is one alphabet. Now check for the alphabets G and I. G and I there is one letter, that is H. And here also in word between G and I there is one letter U, therefore it also satisfy the given condition, and so another pair is GI. Now the third pair, you can see that this is 19 and this is 21. 19, 20 and 21. So it shows that between S and U or U and S there is one letter in the alphabets, and similarly in the word also there is one letter, that is I. Check here between G, between U and S, between U and S. Here it is. There is one letter, that is T, and here also between U and S there is one letter I. So this also satisfies the given condition, and so US is the another pair which satisfies the given condition. So how many pairs are there? There are 3 pairs. In the options you will be given the numbers, that whether there is a 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair or no pairs. So how many pairs are there? There are 3 pairs that satisfy the given condition. Now go for the another question. How many pairs of letters are there in the word adequately which have as many letters between them in the word as in the alphabet? So the given word is adequately. So its positional numbers are A is 1, D is 4, 3 is 5, Q is 17 and so on. Now the alphabets are from A to Z are like this. So first check for the numbers. Here you see that 4 and 5 there is no letter. it means between D and E there is no letter in the word. Similarly, between D and E there is no letter between the alphabets also, and therefore the first pair is DE. Now the second, you see here that Q, T, 17 and 20. So 17, 18, 19 and 20, there are two letters between Q and T in alphabets. Just check between Q and T how many alphabets are there? Two alphabets, and that are R and S. So in alphabets between Q and T there are two letters. Similarly, here in word also between Q and T there are two alphabets, U and A, and therefore this also satisfies the given condition, and therefore Q2 is the another pair. So in all there are two pairs that satisfy the given condition. So your option will be 2. Now go for the next question. How many pairs of letters are there in the word horizon, which have as many letters between them in the word as in the alphabet? So the given word is horizon. The positional number of each alphabet is 8, 15, 18, 9, 26 and so on. The alphabets from A to Z can be written like this. Now search for the numbers. Suppose we take 8 and 9, but between 8 and 9 there should be no number, but there are two numbers. So search for the 2. So here it is R and O, that is 15 and 18. So 15, 16, 17 and 18. So between O and R how many letters are there? There are two letters. Check there. Between O and R how many letters are there? Two letters are there, and that are P and Q. In the same way, in the word also there are two letters I and Z. Therefore this pair satisfy the given condition. Therefore the first pair is R and RO. Now search for the second condition. Is there any other condition which satisfy the given condition? So it is see, this is 14 and 15. There is no letter, and in alphabets between O and A, N, between O and N there is no letter, and therefore O and N also satisfy the given condition. Then another is 8 to 14. See here, such a big gap. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So between 8 and 14 how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This shows that between H and N how many alphabets are there in the alphabets that are H to N. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now check for the words. How many alphabets are there? O, R, I, Z, O. There are 5 alphabets, and therefore HN is the another pair that satisfy the given condition, and so in all there are 3 pairs. Now the next question is, how many pairs of letters are there in the word repercussions? So repercussion is the given word, and the positional number of each alphabet is 18, 5, 16, 5, 18, 3 likewise. So here the alphabets from A to Z are like this. So first is 16 to 18. From 16 to 18 there is one letter 17. This shows that between 16 and 18 there is one letter in the alphabets. So between R and P in the word there is one letter, and R and P there is one letter, that is Q. So R and P also satisfy the condition. This is the first pair. The second pair is UT 20 21. There is no letter between U and T in words as well as in alphabets also. So UT, that also satisfy the condition. Then the next one is ON 14 and 15. There is no letter between ON in the alphabets as well as in the word also. Then the another is PR 16, 17, 18. There is one letter. In word also there is one letter, that is E, and PR, P to R, there is one letter Q. So PR is the another pair. So but RP and PR are the same pair, so this we will not consider. So how many pairs are there? 1, 2 and 3. So these three pairs satisfy the given condition. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you might have enjoyed it. Like it, share it with your friends. Thank you very much. Friends, you might have enjoyed this video. Then go to thumbs up button and click. Then go to share tab and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and many more. And to get the updates right in your mailbox, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.